Rangbak ke Jela Meghalaya Ukonrat ke Sangma Mendagasngi Ulahiara Shasor Nongstoin West Khasi Hills District na kebenta ki kamrep kamriang bat hakjo kapor ulayoru banyak peliu jengmut bat ki kenhun jong ki nongrep ki balatip kum ki farmer producer group ki bana ka thai motion road bana ka thai Nongstoin Kajing temu jong kajingwan jong menteri Rangbak ke Jela Meghalaya kalong ru shibenta banwansa me ki la jingarap na kebenta ki nongrep hakaba kate kesngi ulayo ru bansa me ki check shaki pautali ki kenhun nongrep ki ba na ki te artli ki than hapo West Khasi Hills District hakate kajingalang hadu arpusan tali ki kenhun nongrep na ka than motion road ki layo ya kajingarap lemma ka check man na ka than Nongstoin pat tang khatlai tali ki kenhun nongrep ki layo Yakini kejinyalang la penlong ha Bishop Hall New Nongstoin bat laya don lang ru uba PD Sangma Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills District ringkat uba Macmillan Bersat MLA ka Nongstoin uba la ajing kren lang hak te kesngi.
Yo ini kejingan pasca haji siap ni kam hop. Nakota kata program bangi dei ban mereka Henry ila pun kam baklan si we pagi bentar. Bagi ya baik no ya we pak di bentar. Bun Nalem Juni, di Paipa, habang iyo kinirap ng soka. Hagbelin ki scheme nongga, di way pat scheme. Hajakam kam hop pa ki scheme. Diyan iyo kunman kilugan di mobile ng ustay. Iyo pa pan IG na. Ya kinowel pa ka hop. Pide matip pa ka hop pat ka. Chingitli kide binayatan. Right? Ang responsibility Tidak menjadi. Kaya kapag pipiong, kaya kapag pipigran, kaya manton hindi mantoy, yung iba. Kaya kapag mingile, kaya kapag mingitray, kaya manton hindi mantoy, nakaliwipa. Nagaling yung mga sumong dituwi di ginong na, baka soka may kita, di mo pikalay na po kasi alam, yung konat sang mga kung siyempre sa pagkagulo mo yung ngira trace ito, ngira pakat, hagi di license tam, Bila pasyangkat i ikam haman di konsumsi. Lara biong ilanti kisingki biswa. Lara biong iumba umdi. Lara biong education department. Ban high ki school. Ban ban climb ki college for district. Bila le kita. Lara biken. Yagi nomle. Kaso kami la kan penut kumba aspatlo naktaban ay jingirap yakin nogat haka jelami kaya bagin form ilagi jom ikenhun penmi magat piong e-commerce producers group dan agale cuma ngaslo pa niwe lagi ngaslo pa nutu yaki milon kami di kami nakta bagin bentam ni dinu miskin lari kam penroy ilunti kisinti kisubok Lali gino bagong di. Nakano ka baskim. Kapag soka kay napaigipahan yung ba milon kami ng sinitilangan. Lalapipi ka lang. Lalapipin sa ay pipinle no ay. Yang ay kaskim kapag soka kay kapag ka ng dino ay. Pagkajing ko ka yung ikong tukaman. Kapag soka ka ba. Yang ay kapangiyarap ang tayopi. Yang ay kapangiyay ang tayopi. Baka napinli ka. Ingay kan. Off na buwan-buwan. Hadir masuk kami kena kendali kami dari skim fokus. Dari kata skim banjirap, yang kinoga, kiba penmi, yang kimaga, kiba penmi, yang jingli. Kanong stoin, kan sa pendap yang kinon kami juga yang stoin. Kung kanong kita, larikan kredit jual bicat. Yang kinon kincang maga. Baka distrik kejungi, kejela kejungi, kandang kengkam banyo, balik tuat kaliban.
I think before me, our Honorable MLA has already explained to all of you the purpose of today's program. And as you are aware, that we will be distributing checks to different producer groups. Now, why did we do this? I just want to explain in 2 minutes why we felt that this program was necessary. 2 reasons. Number 1 is because during COVID time, the society as a whole has suffered. And obviously, the people, the general public who are dependent on their day-to-day activity for their livelihood have suffered the most. So as a government, we felt that we need to do something for this section of society. And 75% of them are producers and, more importantly, farmers. We have calculated that approximately 4.5 lakh families are there who are, in one way or the other, linked to the agriculture sector and the allied sectors. And hence, we decided that we must give some financial support, a welfare scheme for the farmers. But at the same time, we felt that if we give the money directly to individual farmers, we may not be able to achieve productive growth in the particular activity that they do. And therefore, we decided that we will give 5,000 rupees per farmer family, but it will be in the form of groups. Money will be put in the account of the groups. So therefore, if there are 10 members in your group, 10 multiplied by 5,000 is 50,000 rupees in that group. If you are 20 members, you will get 1 lakh. And the idea really is very simple. We as a government and agriculture department has realized that the farmers sometimes don't even have enough money to buy seeds, to hire a vehicle to take their product to the market, to buy plastic pipes to water their plants, to buy tarpaulin to cover their produce, or even put a small shed to protect and store their product. And we realize that these interventions are not very big. There are not lakhs and crores required. If the farmer can get money, the right amount at the right time, it can make a big difference in the amount they're able to produce. And that is why we felt that even if we are able to give 5,000 per family, put it into the account of the group, and the group members can then decide on how they want to use it. Whether this 50,000 will be used for transportation, or you will buy seeds in the market with this money, or you will buy pipes, or whatever the producer group members feel is appropriate. We have decided to give it to the farmers. Now, this amount is not a loan. So a lot of farmers have been asking me, is this amount a loan? Do we have to pay this back? This is not a loan. We will be distributing close to 200 crores. We have started already. We have distributed maybe 30 to 40 crores already. We will be touching 200 crores in the span of 2 years since COVID started. And the second reason why we're doing this, that was the first reason. Second reason why we're doing this is we feel that while the government spends a large amount on government employees, on contractors, because development activity takes place, somehow the farmers are never benefited directly. So we have seen that thousands of crores are gone when we pay teachers, when we pay contractors, when we pay government employees. But direct funding to farmers has never been done. And that is why out of the 14 to 15,000 crores that the Meghalaya government spends every year, we felt that 200 crores to the farmers, 4.5 lakh families is nothing. It's a small amount compared to the large expenditure of 15,000 crores we have every year. And the number of families that we can touch is huge.